Hey guys, are you into checking out some weird, trippy stuff that you find out there on the road? Well, if so, come along with us. We're about to check out MEOW WOLF in Sante Fe, New Mexico. Hey guys, we're the biker couple who decided to leave the touring bike at home for once and travel on Route 66 all across the country to reconnect with friends and family and see some cool stuff along the way. So we went on outdoorsy.com and rented a Class B RV camper van. Very cool. Spent some time in nature. Also very cool. But what wasn't so cool is Route 66 turned into a bit of a situation at a famous motel chain that we now refer to as Motel 666, where parking lot zombies were attacking our van all night, and, well, a naked guy randomly showed up in our room. You can check out our video about it. It has a thumbnail that looks like this, and I'll paste it in the comments below. But hey, all of that negative energy changed when we reached our destination, MEOW WOLF.
In 600 feet, the destination is on your right, MEOW WOLF.
I mean, as soon as you enter the parking lot, you know you're going to be in for a treat. I mean, where else are you going to be greeted by a giant robot? Or maybe even this gorgeous blue wolf, or coyote, or wolf, or coyote, or an unusually large, freakishly large spider, and an average-sized food truck, which, by the way, guys, is actually pretty darn good, I must say. Anyway, when you get inside and get checked in, you're going to find yourself in front of this facade, the House of Eternal Return. You're going to step inside, and you're free to wander around all the rooms inside. It looks like a normal house, and all around you, you might find clues to the backstory about the people who supposedly used to live there, and the strange experiments that some of the family members were in. Soon you might find yourself in the kitchen, where you step through the refrigerator into another dimension.
You are okay. Please proceed. Not seatbelt.
So this former bowling alley is 20,000 square feet large, with over 70 rooms of art installations and interactive fun everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Now, this place was great for adults and kids of all ages. I was amazed by how many people over, say 60 were giggling and laughing. There's so much to see and do. And if you were a Game of Thrones fan, please know that George R.R. Martin, the creator, was instrumental in helping to make this vision come to life. And the best way to understand this experience is to immerse yourself in it. If you can't get to Sante Fe, they also have a different MEOW WOLF in Denver and one in Vegas, baby. Oh, hey, there you are, Mike. Where have you been?
I think I've been chilling in an alternate reality or something.
An alternate reality, huh?
Yeah, this place is super
Trippy.
Okay, well, maybe we want to just leave him alone for a minute so he regains his composure. Seriously, eye candy is everywhere. So if you do plan a trip here to Sante Fe to MEOW WOLF, give yourself enough time to explore. Make a day out of it. There's so much to do. These artists are so visionary and creative. I mean, every place that you step into makes you wonder with curiosity. Like these music exhibits.
There it is. It's over there. There we go.
You made that.
And there are even some more traditional ways to make sounds at MEOW WOLF. And speaking of music, we found this prehistoric relic that had a musical surprise as well. So of course we had to have a jam session, right? I mean, who wouldn't? Words of Elvis, thank you very much. Yes, our album is on sale in the lobby, so get yourself a copy. Seeing as we're RV minded, we were happy to happen upon this trailer.
We ended up in another RV.
Yeah, we're in Utah now.
Through the magic of Meow Wolf. Yeah, looks like we're at Arches.
Yeah.
Trippy.
Well, we left the desert and soon ended up in a psychedelic sea underwater to explore these beautiful colors, these beautiful corals, and these groovy fish. Gotta say that this installation was one of my favorite in the whole place. I don't know why. I'm a kid. I love the candy colors absolutely everywhere. Oh, hey, here's our new friend. He's a diver. And we'll think you agree that this is a place to dive into. Each environment just seemed, I don't know, increasingly more strange, more bizarre, and trippier. Take a look at this next room that we're about to step into. If you're scared of clowns, I apologize. Okay, well, it might not be that scary in here, but there were some disturbing clown images on some of the video screens, and it was a little triggering from a childhood incident I had where, let's just say, well, I'm not a fan of clowns. But regardless, right, forget all that. Take a look at all of these found art collages. I think this is so super creative. I really dug this room. Now, continuing down a maze of corridors, it brought us into a room that actually had a stage where Meow Wolf often has local bands play. Now, this next room seems to be a celebration of the triangle. I loved it in there. So yeah, some of these rooms are pretty intense experiences, but there's also some great chill spaces when you're ready to wind down. And this room had really relaxing whale sounds and sea life sounds. I loved it. Get it? I loved it. Well, so did Mike. We loved it. So go check out Meow Wolf if you're in Sante Fe, guys. It's an amazing spot. Lots of fun. Lots of trippiness to be had. And I'd better go find Mike.